Want to transform your bathroom into a relaxing spa-like space? In today's video, we'll explore the best bathtubs in 2026 that combine comfort, style, durability, and modern features. Whether you're looking for a freestanding tub, soaking tub, compact bathtub, or a luxury design, these top picks can help you create the perfect, relaxing bathroom experience. Starting at number 1. Medinges Modern Freestanding Bathtub. The Medinges Modern Freestanding Bathtub is a stylish and luxurious addition to any contemporary bathroom, featuring an elegant oval shape and a sleek matte white finish. Crafted from durable resin stone material, this freestanding tub offers a solid and premium construction with a spacious design measuring 59 inches long, 30.7 inches wide, and 22 inches high. With a generous 74.5 gallon capacity, it provides a comfortable soaking experience for relaxation and everyday use. Weighing 220 pounds, the bathtub delivers excellent stability while its modern freestanding installation allows flexible placement and enhances bathroom aesthetics. Combining sophisticated design, durability, and comfort, the Medinges bathtub creates a spa-inspired atmosphere in any modern home. Number 2. Woodbridge 63-inch Stone. The Woodbridge 63-inch stone resin luxury contemporary solid surface freestanding soaking tub in matte white is a premium bathtub designed to bring modern elegance and spa-like relaxation to any bathroom. Crafted from durable stone resin solid surface material, this freestanding soaking tub offers excellent strength, heat retention, and a luxurious feel. Measuring 63 inches in length and 28.35 inches in width, it provides a spacious and comfortable bathing experience while maintaining a sleek contemporary profile. The smooth matte white finish adds a sophisticated touch, complementing a variety of modern bathroom designs. With its stylish freestanding installation and high-quality construction, the Woodbridge soaking tub delivers the perfect combination of comfort, durability, and timeless luxury. Number 3. Medinges Modern Freestanding Bathtub. The Medinges Modern Freestanding Bathtub, 61-inch white, is a stylish and luxurious soaking tub designed to create a spa-inspired experience in contemporary bathrooms. Featuring an elegant oval shape and a sleek matte white finish, this bathtub is crafted from durable stone resin material that provides strength, stability, and excellent heat retention for comfortable long soaks. Measuring 61.02 inches long, 29.92 inches wide, and 22.05 inches high, it offers a spacious bathing area with a generous 68-gallon capacity. With a sturdy 257.9-pound construction and convenient freestanding installation, this modern bathtub combines sophisticated design, premium durability, and relaxing comfort, making it an excellent centerpiece for any upscale bathroom. Number 4. ANZZI 67-inch Freestanding Bathtub. The ANZZI 67-inch freestanding bathtub in glossy white acrylic is a modern soaking tub designed to bring luxury, comfort, and elegance to contemporary bathrooms. Crafted from durable high-quality acrylic, this bathtub features a smooth glossy white finish that creates a clean and sophisticated look while being easy to maintain. Its spacious 67-inch design provides ample room for relaxing full-body soak, while the flat-bottom construction offers enhanced stability and comfort. With a stylish freestanding installation, the ANZZI soaking tub becomes a stunning centerpiece that combines modern aesthetics, reliable durability, and a spa-like bathing experience for your home. Number 5. Elite Edge Modern Freestanding Marine Tub. The Elite Edge Modern Freestanding Marine Tub is a stylish and spacious bathtub designed to bring comfort and contemporary elegance to any modern bathroom. Constructed from durable high-quality acrylic, this tub features a sleek glossy white finish that creates a clean, luxurious appearance while being easy to maintain. With generous dimensions of 71.26 inches long, 36.14 inches wide, and 27.17 inches high, it provides ample space for a relaxing soaking experience. Weighing only 117.3 pounds, the lightweight yet sturdy design allows for easier installation and flexibility in bathroom placement. Combining modern styling, smooth acrylic construction, and a spacious interior, the Elite Edge freestanding tub is an excellent choice for creating a spa-inspired bathroom retreat. These are some of the best bathtubs you can buy in 2026. All product links for your purchase are available in the video description. If this video helped you find the right bathtub for your home, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and buying guides.